In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a tropical house song soundation. We'll build a warm, breezy track from scratch, keeping everything light, melodic, and easy to follow inside Soundation. First, set up the project so the vibe is right from the start. Tropical house feels best between 100 and 115 beats per minute. 110 BPM is a sweet spot that keeps things relaxed but still danceable. Use a 4/4 time signature and pick a major key for that sunny feel. C, D, F, or G all work great. This gives you a musical foundation that naturally sounds uplifting. Now let's lay down the chords. Load up a simple synth, a soft pad, or a gentle piano in Soundation. Go for long, smooth chords that ring out. To soften the attack of each chord, turn the attack up just a little. This removes any harshness and helps everything blend. Classic progressions that fit the genre include C to G to A minor to F, F to G to E minor to A minor, or D to A to B minor to G. Any of these will instantly give you that chill, happy tone. With chords in place, add the melody, the signature tropical element. Choose a plucked or mallet-style sound like a marimba, kalimba, steel drum, or a soft pluck synth. Keep the notes short and bouncy and leave space between phrases so the groove can breathe. A touch of reverb and a subtle delay will push the melody back in the mix just enough to feel airy and spacious without getting muddy. Next, program a light, groovy drum pattern. Use a house or pop kit. Place your kick on beats 1 and 3, the snare or clap on beats 2 and 4, and run a closed hi-hat on steady eighth notes to keep the pulse moving. Drop an open hi-hat just before the kick to add energy into the downbeat. Sprinkle in gentle shakers, bongos, or other light percussion to add movement, but keep the dynamics soft so the track stays relaxed. Finally, craft a warm, smooth bass line. Pick a soft sub or deep bass and follow the root notes of your chords. Use short, tight notes to complement the kick. If sidechaining is available, set the bass to duck slightly when the kick hits. This creates that classic breathing groove. For EQ, cut the highs on the bass to remove unnecessary buzz and give the low mids a slight boost for warmth. Put it all together, balance your levels, and you've got a tropical house track ready for sunshine.